Welcome back to Mr. Orth's Flipped Classroom for Grammar. Today we'll get an overview of conjunctions. First, a conjunction is a word that simply joins words. There are many different types, and here are some of them. First, and perhaps most familiar to you, is a coordinating conjunction. It's a word that joins similar words or phrases of equal importance, or the same part of speech in a sentence. This is fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. There also are correlative or correlative conjunctions. These are pairs of words that connect words. There must be other words between both parts of the correlative conjunction, such as both, and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also. There also are subordinating conjunctions. This is a word that joins words that have different meanings or purposes. They're always used to start a dependent or subordinate clause, either at the start of a sentence or the start of a second half of a sentence. The poster child for this is the word because. If is also a subordinate conjunction. Don't confuse subordinate conjunctions as being long words and coordinating conjunctions such as fanboys as being short words. The number of letters makes no difference. It's about what job it does in a sentence. There also are conjunctive adverbs. These are transition words that connect independent clauses. The key thing is that you most often will find these separated from the rest of the sentence by a comma and or a semicolon. Most commonly, it will actually be a semicolon finishing one part of a sentence, then a conjunctive adverb, then a comma, then the second part of the sentence. Some examples. My family and I traveled to Florida, yet we never visited the ocean. In here we have two different kinds of fanboys or coordinating conjunctions. We have and as part of the compound subject, and we have yet following a comma to indicate we have a compound sentence. Neither my daughters nor my wife made an effort to stop the birds trying to steal my sunglasses. We have neither nor for a correlative conjunction, and we have a lot of other phrases in here. We don't have any other conjunctions. Third example, because we arrived first to SeaWorld, we were able to ride both the Manta and the Kraken. We have because for a subordinate conjunction, and we have both and for a correlative conjunction. The key for correlative conjunctions is find the fanboys first, and then see if there's the matching part. If you find the word and, then decide if you see a both in front of it. If you see a nor, look for an either. If you see an or, look for either. If you see the word but, then look to see if there's an also or a not only earlier in the sentence. Final example. The temperatures hit 90 degrees or higher each day. Nevertheless, we enjoyed every minute of our vacation. We have a fanboys for or, coordinating conjunction, and we have a conjunctive adverb, nevertheless. See how it follows a semicolon and has a comma after it. Why is it between the two? Because you could take it out. If it's between a semicolon and a comma, it's no different than having a phrase or a word in between two commas. It can still be deleted from the sentence. This will take a little more practice. In fact, your exercise packet may have you combine lessons 8 and 9. So go ahead and watch lesson 9 for some more information about interjections.